Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making Stir-Fried Bok Choy with mushrooms, 香菇青菜. The ingredients are basically bok choy, mushrooms, and oyster sauce. Let's start it. Soak the dry mushrooms overnight. Coarsely slice to thick pieces about 1.5 centimeters. Cut bok choy from the middle of the stem. Add a few drops of oil to the water and put it up to boil. Put the stems to boiling water for a while, then the leaves. Cook only 1 to 2 minutes, then leave the heat. Drain off the water. Then add the mushrooms. Cook until boiled, then take out. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the clean wok. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Add bok choy, stir-fried quickly about 1 minute. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then take out on a plate. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Add sliced black mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Stir fry quickly about 1 minute. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in water, then add to the mushrooms. Stir a little bit, then we are done. Top the bok choy with mushrooms. It's ready to serve. I have another video using bok choy and mushrooms making stuffed buns, 香菇青菜包. I will put the link at the end. Please check it out if you are interested. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.